NOAA's outlook for the 2021 Atlanta hurricane season indicates that an above normal season is most likely. Specifically, there is a 60% chance of an above normal season, a 30% chance of a near normal season, and a 10% chance of a below normal season. The outlook calls for a 70% probability in the following ranges: 13 to 20 named storms with top winds of at least 39 miles per hour. Of these 13 to 20 named storms, 6 to 10 will become hurricanes with top winds of at least 74 miles per hour. This includes 3 to 5 major hurricanes ranked as categories 3, 4, or 5, with top winds of at least 111 miles per hour.
We've got climate change, and really you look at some of the impacts of the tropics and hurricanes. There's not really much evidence to see more storms, but we are seeing some evidence possibly of a longer season. We're seeing some evidence of some of the storms could be stronger as well.